Now everything is fine, guys. Let me know that.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. Everyone is joined, right? Who was there in the Spring Embassy till last? Those people only there, okay? Except Krishna. Except Krishna. Because again and again, how I can create the project? Yeah, this is the not a small project, right? So except new Nishant and Krishna, these two people is new, I think, here in this project. Okay, so here see that we are making the request, guys. Okay, now by default, why again we are getting the okay? So I'm fetching the one record. Okay, now I'm fetching the one record. Okay, now based on that, what is that? Again I will do. Okay, now again I will do. So what is that? Come here. What is the API? Our we have need to fetch one record. Okay, now one ID. So what I'm going to do now? Here one path variable I'm taking, and ID number in the database 20 is there, right? I want this record, okay na, in the JSON or XML format. So for that we are sending the request, okay na. But here see, the XML data we are getting, by default data we are getting, right? So I'm sending that request, okay na. This information, the one employee record is coming here, okay na. One employee record is coming, based on that, what is that? XML data. Okay, so no, I want what is that? JSON data. So what is that? Acceptance type. Acceptance type application slash JSON we will take. Okay na, make the request. See, we are getting the same data in the JSON, but in that way, why in this method the things is not working here? List of employees not converting in the XML format. Okay, no problem. Okay na. Okay, no problem, we will check it later. Okay, so but here it's working, right? See, this is the JSON data. If you don't want JSON data, you want XML data, just make at one what is that? XML. Okay na, just make this request and you will get the same one employee object in the XML also, right? If you want to JSON, just make this one as what is that? JSON, right? JSON, right? Just make this one as a JSON, then you will get the output in the JSON format. Okay na, this is the one employee record. Okay guys, so till now the thing is completed. Now next one is what is that? Delete one employee, right? Update one employee. So first let's do updation, right? Let's do updation. After then last implementation we will give delete operation, right? Delete operation. Okay now, so because only one record is there, guys. Okay, another again we have need to create. Why? We will take the risk, not a risk. Okay now, time will increase, that's it. Okay now, so what is that? Come here. Okay now, let's write it. So first update operation we will do the updation. Okay now. Let's do the updation, guys. Okay, so for the updation we have need total object, right? So we have need what is that? Total objects, object. So for the updation purpose, I said that modification already I explained, guys, right? I already explained which annotation we will use for the updation. Put annotation, right? Put annotation. Okay na, two more annotation is there, right? Two more annotation is there. Post get we seen that. Okay na, put and delete, two more annotation is there. Let's work on that. Okay na, how we are working in the real time on this annotation. Okay na, so what is that? Public. What is that? Public, right? Public. What is that? Public. Okay, response entity, right? Response entity here, string, take the string, no need. Okay na, no need to take another. Okay na, so now what is that? Update data, right? Update data. Okay, so fine. Now guys, update the data. Okay now, here what I'm going to do now? At the rate put, at the rate put put mapping, right? At the rate put mapping. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so what I'm going to do now here? Update. Okay na, so come here, inside that again come, guys. Okay na, so here but we have need to, what is that? We are going to update return total. We have need to, we are going to update employee object, right? So for that, what is that? At the rate what is that? Request body. At the rate request body, right? Employee, we will take the argument employee emp, right? Employee emp. Okay, fine. Now guys, okay, so fund request response entity, right? Response entity is string. I'm taking what is that string only. Okay, response entity. Okay, res equal to null, right? Res equal to null. Okay, fine. So fine guys. Okay, now try and catch. Okay, na take here try and catch. Okay, na so fine guys. Here let's, what is that service dot, what is that service dot, what is that update, right? Update employee. Okay, inside that what we are going to do now, we are passing that employee. Okay, now we will pass this employee. Okay, so after then what is that, what is that res equal to new, what is that response entity, right? Response entity. Inside that what we will do now guys is response entity. Okay, so here I'm taking is one string, right? String body. Okay, employee updated dated fully, right? Fully, yeah, fully this one. Okay na, okay, no problem. Okay, so okay fine. So this is message, we will get this message. Okay na, so now what we will do now, here pass is body, pass the body here http status code, http status code dot okay, right? Okay fine guys. So now the thing is completed. So come here. Okay na, here also res equal to new response, right? Response entity. Inside that what we will do now, what we will do now, again what is that, employee not updated, right? This message. After then what is that, http status code, right? Http status code. Okay, okay, in server, internal server problem, right? Internal server problem, we will get that this error. Okay fine. So now, okay, so again, okay, so now what is that res dot, what is that, sorry, e dot print style. Okay, res, that's it. Okay, we have already this json data, right? Already this json data is there. Let's copy this one. Okay na, let's copy this one. Okay, so copy this one. Okay, so come here. Okay, come here, we will send the data update, we will update it, right? We will update it. So for that, which method we will call, put, right? So let's run the application guys, let's run the application. Oh, okay, I'm stopping my screen sharing. After running the application again, I will. Okay. So now come here, right? Already we have the data, right? Already we have the data. Okay, copy this one, copy this one. Which one? Put, take the put, right? Put methodology. And what is that? Just change it here. What is that? Update, right? URL update. Update, right? Update only, right? This one only, na? Yeah, update. Okay, yeah, update. Okay, na? Update. Okay, fine. So come to body, right? Come to body. Okay, so what we will do now, just paste it here. Okay, na? This is the data already there in the database. Okay, na? This data is the already there in the database. Okay, fine. So guys, okay, fine now. Okay, na? So here, what I'm going to do now, I'm updating the my API will accept what is that JSON data, because this is the JSON data. Okay, na? So here Ravi is there, na? Here Ravi, I'm making this one as a Pushpendra. Pushpendra, right? Pushpendra. Okay. So imply India is okay. Address is just I'm taking XYZ. 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 Okay, na? This is the data. Now I'm going to send it. Okay. Now I'm going to send it. Yeah. Unexpected error. Okay, na? Error we are getting, but 200 status code we are getting 200. Okay, so now okay, 1 minute. Hey, this is updated, but still what is the something we wrote wrong, guys, on the API. See, data is updated. Before name is Ravi, right? Now this one is become Pushpendra, right? This one is became what is that? Pushpendra. Okay, na? But 1 minute, I will check where I did mistake. Okay, response entity. Okay, catch block. Employee internal server. Why again this? Why we are getting now? Because there is no error, right? We are not getting any error inside that. But body status code. Okay, okay, means 200, right? 200, 200, 200 we are getting, but unexpected error. Why we are getting the unexpected error? Employee updated successfully. Hey, we are getting, yaar. Okay, na? Oh, that is the fine. Okay, na? No, no, no. We are getting correct result. Okay, na? See, raw data we are sending, na? So, and pretty print. If we see the pretty print, right, then we will get like this only in the JSON format. We are seeing that. Okay, na? See, we are sending the raw data, and output is coming. See, employee updated successfully. Employee updated successfully. See, employee updated successfully. This message means we are getting the correct, no problem. Okay, no problem, guys. This is the our, what is that, raw data we are sitting. We are seeing pretty print. In the pretty print only JSON data we can see that. Okay, now with JSON data if we see that, then pretty print will work. If you want to see the message, then you have need to take what is that, raw. Okay, na, raw. So now like that we are updating our data. Okay, na? So let's perform what is that, last operation, guys. Okay, na? Last operation, what is that? Delete operation. Okay, na? Delete operation. Okay, guys. So one request is there, guys. Okay, na? So still the people are dumb in the group. Okay, na? Please see whatever things. Okay, na? Whatever things I'm explaining, guys, everything is correct only. Okay, now please encourage the people in the group. Okay, now based on that your feedback and input in the group, right? People will, what is that, people, the one mindset is there in the group. I observe that things. Okay, now they are thinking that I'm delivering the things as a what, free means, free like only, but this is not free like, guys. Okay, when you will, who is the working employee, those people understand the worth of this session. Okay, so please give the feedbacks also inside that group, right? Yes, yes. Okay, na. Please encourage that, because if they are join our group means those people are our only, right? Our own only people only. Okay, na. So please encourage after session. Please give the feedback and all those things. Everyone, this is my request to you people. Okay, na. Please give the feedback in the group. By seeing your feedback, and the people will join next module onward. Okay, na. Next module onward. Okay, so please encourage the people. Okay, so now fine. Okay, now fine, guys. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now let's move on. What is that? Next one is what? Okay na. Next one is what? Delete operation. Let's perform the delete operation. Okay na. So let's perform the delete operation also. Okay na. So fine guys. So for that I'm going to performing what is that? Delete operation guys. Okay na. So for that what is that? Public what is that? Response public what is that? Public response what is that? Again what is that? Response. Okay na. Public response string. I'm taking the string only guys here. Okay na. So what is that? Delete what is that? Delete one employee. Delete one employee, right? Delete one employee. Okay na. Return null. Return null. Okay na. Here what is that? Still only one annotation is left guys. Okay, which one? Delete annotation, delete mapping, right? Except that all annotation I use in the application from morning onward, 2 p.m. onward, whatever explanation is going on based on this annotation only, right? So this annotation only there in the real time also. Okay, so now fine. So another one is what is that? At the rate delete mapping, right? At the rate delete mapping. Okay, inside that what I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now guys? Again I'm taking the path, right? Path. Okay, slash remove. Okay na. And dynamically id we will take, right? Dynamically what we will take? Id. Okay na. So this is fine guys. Okay, so now fine. Okay, come here. Okay, come here. Okay, so what is that? Inside this argument, right, we are going to take id, right? So what is that? At the rate path variable, right? At the rate path variable. Inside that what we will do now? We will pass the id argument. After then integer, right? Integer. Sorry. After then integer, right? Integer. What is that? Id, right? Id. Okay, so fine now. Oh, now fine. Yes. Okay, so fine guys. Okay na. So here come again, right? Come here. Okay. Okay, so response entity, right? Here I'm taking string. What is that? What is that guys? What is that? Res equal to null, right? Equal to null. Fine. Okay, so now here try. I'm taking the try again. Try and a catch block. Okay, catch block. Okay, again what we will call service guys. Service dot what is that? What is that? Delete method I wrote already. Inside that this id we will pass. Okay na. Inside this id we will pass. After then what is that? String. What is that? String body employee deleted. Deleted, right? Employee deleted plus which one? What is that? What is that? Yeah, employee deleted. Okay na. Return type is void. Delete method. Okay, so now what is that? Res equal to new. What is that? What is that? Response entity, right? Response entity. Okay, fine now guys. Okay, so here what is that? Body. Another one is what is that? http status code. Okay, http status code. Okay, right? Okay, fine guys. In the catch block we will take what is that? Res equal to new. What is that? Response entity, right? String inside that body. Not deleted. Okay, http status internal, right? Internal server problem. Okay, fine. Now return what is that? Return what? Res. Okay na. Res. Okay, so let's run the application and we will see that. Okay, let's run the application and we will see that. Okay, what is the ID? What is the ID? 20, right? 20 in the database, 20 ID. We will delete this data. Okay, na? This data we will delete it. See, still data is there, right? We will delete this data. Oh, okay. I'm stopping again the what is the screen. After then I will share it. Okay, na? I'm going to run the application. Yes. Okay. So now what is that in the controller? Remove, right? Remove and ID we have need. Okay, na? Come to here. What is that? But delete, right? Now we will make the delete request. Okay, na? Delete request. And here what we will do now, guys? Remove, right? REMOVE. After then what is that? ID number 20, right? ID number 20 we have need to delete it. Okay, now make the request. Yeah, see guys, we are getting the result, right? Employee deleted, employee deleted. We are getting the message or not on the browser. Okay, come here. Okay, now refresh it. See, there is no employee. Okay, see, there is no employee in the database. Okay guys, so now let's complete. I completed all operation, guys, related to what? Related to CURD operation, as well as what is that? Spring REST. Okay, still Swagger is there, right? Swagger UI is there. Okay, so Swagger client is there, guys. Swagger client next weekend. Okay, next weekend I will explain. After then Angular, I will develop our own Angular application, right? And inside that we will make the request. Okay, these two concepts still left. Okay, little bit see that how to install what is that npm and all those things, Angular in your computer, right? Angular server. Okay, just see that. Okay, just see that. And after then don't worry, how much need Angular to develop one client for this CURD operation, right? Those things I will explain with the very easiest format, guys. Okay, very easiest format. Okay, so yeah, Spring Boot. Okay, I will explain. Okay, so now fine. Now unmute yourself, guys. Let's talk it. I am also human only, right? Don't be scared. Okay, just unmute yourself. Friendly, you can talk with me. Okay, friendly, you can talk with me. Okay, Suraj, now clear, right?
Yes, sir. So it's really good. It's really good, sir, because the thing was that ना सर मतलब जैसे कि कोई मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं देखा कि मतलब कोई इंसान किसी और को दे रहा है, ओके? तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो थैंक यू सो मच, सर।
Okay, Nissan, what about you? Krishna, Manjulata, Padma, Pushpen, unmute yourself, everybody. Let's talk.
Wonderful, Ravi. This class was very, very wonderful, Ravi. Very wonderful.
Wonderful, right?
Yeah.
Krishna, what about you? Manjulata, unmute yourself.
I understand, sir. It's a good one.
Good, right? Just do practical, okay?
Yes.
Do practical. Padma, what about you?
Yeah. Till now, I have a lot of confusion with these request parameters, path variables. Now it is clear, Ravi.
Okay, Padma.
Yeah.
Okay,
100% clear.
please
Yeah.
give your feedbacks inside the group also, and both group. Okay, not only one group, guys. Okay. Please
Okay.
encourage the people. Please encourage the people. They can also take the benefit. Okay, by watching the YouTube, there just that time I will not available to what is that clarify their doubts. Okay na, again they will put inside the group what is that, this is the doubt, this is the problem. Okay na, and Monday to Friday my working day is there, but still I'm giving the reply those people. Okay, already work pressure too much, you know that, Padma, in the software industry, if you are responsible person, how much what is that work pressure is there.
Yeah, right, Ravi.
Yeah, but still I'm giving these people what is that response. Okay na,
Yes,
so
yes.
okay. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just encourage the people in the group. Okay na, it's a need. Okay na, they don't know the worth of life. Okay na, because of that they are not attending this kind of situation. Sorry, sessions. Okay na. So
Yes,
okay,
yeah.
no problem. Pay lower and all those things. Padma, after what is that? After what? Security, in the security I'm going to implement the security also in the same application only. Okay na, do the practical. Okay, in
Sure,
this
sure.
in this application only, because there also need what is that full end-to-end one project. Okay na, so again and again same things I can't, setting the environment is too it will take too much time. Because of that today, okay, only Jan is on microservices. I will explain. Okay na, when I will explain microservices, I will make too much wonder in the, and compared to Spring, I will take much time, little bit much time in Spring Boot and microservices, guys. Okay na, because in the microservices, anything I will not compromise. Okay na, anything I will not compromise. I will tell everything, whatever need. Okay, whatever things need in the microservices Spring Boot, because that is the real future. Okay na.